In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of Oneplus Nord CE3 Lite 5G phone. The box of Oneplus Nord CE3 Lite 5G phone looks like this. At the back you can see the price. It is 19,999, but you can get it for approximately 16 to 17,000. This phone is manufactured in India. So without wasting any time, let's open this phone. Let's open the box. On opening the box, you can see the Oneplus logo and small box. Let's open this. Inside you will get a case for the phone and a SIM ejector tool, and you will get a red cable club card. Here is a card, a red cable club, and you will get some stickers and some booklets. Let's keep all these things aside. Here is the phone. Let's keep the phone aside, and inside you will get a 80 watts Super VOOC travel adapter, and here is a Type A to Type C cable. Here is the phone. This is how the Oneplus CE3 Lite looks. Here is the power button. Let's turn on the phone. Press and hold. Click on next. Select the language. Select the region. Click on continue. Accept the terms and conditions such as user agreement, user privacy, and the bottom two are optional. Click on next. Click on next. Connect to the Wi-Fi network. After connecting to the Wi-Fi network, click on next. Now you will get an option copy apps and data. I don't want to copy, so I am going to click on don't copy. Google account, if you want you can sign into your Google account. Click on more, click on accept. If you want to set fingerprint, face or password, you can do that. Otherwise you can simply click on skip, and after that select the navigation, whether you want button navigation or gesture navigation. Click on next. Here you can see the Oxygen OS. Click on get started. This is how the user interface of Oneplus Oxygen OS looks. Here you can see that. Let's go to the settings and check the version of Android. Click on settings and scroll all the way down and click on about device and click on Android version. Here you can see the version of Android. It is 13. Here you can see the processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G octa-core processor. Now let's look at the physical overview of this phone. Oneplus Nord CE3 Lite has a big display, 6.72 inches display, and it has a 16 megapixel front facing camera. Here you can see the 16 megapixel front facing camera, and coming to the rear, it has a triple camera setup. The main camera is 108 megapixel main camera with electronic image stabilization, and it has a 2 megapixel depth assist lens and 2 megapixel macro lens and the flash. And coming to the bottom, you have the 3.5mm headphone jack, Type C port for charging, speaker grill. On the right side you have the power button. This power button also acts as a fingerprint scanner. On the left side you have the volume rockers up and down, and you get the SIM tray. Let's open the SIM tray. Here is the SIM tray. You can use 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 micro SD card. Let's open the camera app and check photos quality. Open the camera app. Here is the front facing camera. Here are some sample photos taken using the front facing camera. So that's it guys, here is a short unboxing video of Oneplus Nord CE3 Lite. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.